In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an online course for free with System.io. We are going to walk through the process of setting up a community inside System.io, configuring it correctly, organizing it with topics, and making sure the right people have access. This is a great way to build a learning space where course members can communicate, ask questions, and stay engaged. First, navigate to Assets, then click Communities. On your screen, you should see the main area where you can manage community features. This is the starting point because Communities is where System.io keeps everything related to your discussion space. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section before moving on, since the next actions depend on being in the Communities dashboard. Next, click Create. After you click Create, a setup screen or form will appear. This is where you begin building a new community from scratch. Make sure you are focusing on the community setup options, not any unrelated settings, so everything is created correctly from the beginning. Now name your community and set the URL path. Your community name is what people will recognize, so choose something clear and relevant to your course or audience. The URL path is the part of the web address that usually helps identify the community in a tidy, readable way. As you enter these details, double-check spelling and formatting, because a clean URL path makes your community easier to share and manage later. Then click Save. This confirms that your basic community structure has been created. You may notice the page updating or returning you to the community overview. This step matters because without saving, your community settings might not carry forward, and you would have to redo the setup. After that, open the community settings to configure access rights and branding. This is where you control who can join and how the community looks. Access rights let you define whether people need an invitation, whether they can join freely, or how membership is handled through your course ecosystem. Branding settings help you align the community with your course identity, so the experience feels consistent. Spend a moment here to review each option carefully, since these settings affect both security and the overall member experience. Once access rights and branding are set, create topics within the community to organize discussions. Topics help members find information quickly and keep conversations from becoming scattered. When you add topics, think about how your course is structured, such as lessons, common questions, or specific themes. Organized topics make it easier for students to participate and for you to moderate discussions without everything getting mixed together. Next, add a member invitation or link the community to a course or bundle to grant access. This step is important because it connects your community to the people who should be able to use it. If you are inviting members directly, you should add the invitation option that fits how you want people to join. If you prefer course-based access, link the community to a course or bundle so that students receive access automatically as part of their purchase or enrollment. This keeps the experience smooth and reduces manual work. Finally, click Save to publish your changes. This ensures that all your updates, including access rights, branding, topics, and the membership connection, are applied. Once you save, return to the community overview if your interface shows a summary and confirm that everything looks correct. If you notice anything off, you can always go back into settings and adjust, but saving is what makes your configuration real for real members. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.